This is Justin from Entrytech, and we've just installed the new Qolsys panel from Visonic, and this comes with a range of ordinary PII detectors like you'd have in the corner of the room, doors, contacts, vibration sensors, but then you can also add internal cameras, external cameras, video doorbells, and these can all be picked up via like a mini iPad. So there's our list of devices we've got on there. So we've got the back door camera, click onto that, we can view what's going on in the back garden, and then we can click off that, we can go front door, we can view what's going on with the front doorbell. Talk through the doorbell. We've obviously got the kitchen camera, which is the one that I'm stood next to here. And then we've got one for the living room. The benefit of this system is everything's recorded to cloud. So there's no NVR or recording device needed, everything is recorded on the cloud. This panel itself has Wi-Fi built in, Bluetooth, it has a built-in 4G SIM card as well for double redundancy, so in the event of a power cut, Wi-Fi would go off, but this will stay connected on battery backup, and that also means that the 4G SIM will carry on running, so you will still have access to it. You can put an SD card in the side, so you can have like a photo frame setup going on here, so when it times out it'll show you family portraits. Go and have a look at the doorbell, see that in use. So press the doorbell. So white means it's made a call. Customers probably going to answer their phone right now, but hopefully they won't. I've got to the panel, so say you're in the house, it says front doorbell, you can answer that on here. And then obviously you can talk or see. They don't know you've answered until you start to speak. You either press green to speak, so you could just choose to ignore whoever's there, or then you would initiate a call by pressing the green button. Hang up when you're finished. If you're interested in the Qolsys or you have a Visonic system already, customers with Visonic can just upgrade the panel and you can keep all your existing devices. But if you're interested in getting the new Qolsys panel and an installation, then give us a call, 077 292 05 291. Thank you.